Hey everyone, Linus here. We all love a good PC build, but what happens when you take that passion to the absolute extreme? What happens when you throw out the rulebook and decide to build the most insane PC the world has ever seen? Today, we're diving headfirst into that madness. We're going to explore a PC build so outrageous, so powerful, and so ridiculously awesome that it redefines what's possible in the world of custom PCs. Get ready to have your mind blown because this isn't your average weekend project. This is about pushing the boundaries of technology and engineering to their absolute limits. This is the story of the most insane PC build ever. This isn't just a PC, it's a bold statement, a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge hardware with a whole lot of crazy innovation. We're talking about a custom-built chassis, handcrafted from aerospace-grade materials, designed for excellence. Think sleek lines, aggressive angles, and enough RGB lighting to illuminate a small city at night. And that's just the outside, folks. Inside this beast lies a symphony of components working in perfect harmony to deliver an unparalleled computing experience. We're not holding back on this one, not at all. This is about pushing the limits of what's possible, and trust me, we're pushing those limits hard and fast. Let's talk hardware, people. When it comes to building a high-performance PC, the choices you make for each component are crucial. Because at the heart of any insane PC build lies an even more insane selection of components. It's not just about picking the most expensive parts, it's about choosing the right parts that work harmoniously together. We're talking about the latest, most powerful CPU on the market, overclocked to within an inch of its life. This is the brain of your machine, handling everything from basic tasks to complex computations with ease. Paired with not one, but two top-of-the-line GPUs in glorious SLI. These GPUs are the muscle, rendering stunning graphics and ensuring smooth gameplay even at the highest settings. Add to that a mountain of RAM, enough to make a supercomputer blush, and you have the memory capacity to run multiple applications simultaneously without a hitch, and a lightning-fast storage solution that makes loading screens a distant memory. With NVMe SSDs, your system boots up in seconds and files transfer at blazing speeds. Every single component in this build has been meticulously chosen for its raw power and performance potential. From the cooling system to the power supply, each part plays a vital role in ensuring your PC runs smoothly and efficiently. And we're not just talking about gaming here, people. This setup is versatile, capable of handling a wide range of demanding tasks. This bad boy is designed to chew through any task you throw at it, whether it's 3D rendering, video editing, or scientific simulations. It's a powerhouse that delivers top-notch performance across the board, making it the ultimate machine for any tech enthusiast. Now, building a PC of this magnitude isn't for the faint of heart. It's a delicate dance of planning, problem-solving, and sheer determination. Cable management alone becomes an art form when you're dealing with this many high-end components. And cooling? Oh, let's just say things get a little toasty when you're pushing hardware to its absolute limits. We're talking custom water cooling loops, strategically placed fans, and enough thermal paste to make a baker proud. But hey, that's all part of the fun, right? The challenges are what make the end result so rewarding. Because when you finally hit that power button and see this beast roar to life, you know you've accomplished something truly special. Section 5. Performance Unleashed. Benchmarking the beast. Alright, the moment of truth has arrived. The question everyone's been waiting for. How does this thing actually perform? In a word, insanely. But let's dive deeper. We're talking record-breaking benchmark scores, buttery smooth frame rates, and lightning-fast load times. This isn't just a step up, it's a giant leap forward. This PC laughs in the face of demanding games, handling the most graphically intense titles without breaking a sweat. Rendering 4K graphics with ease, it delivers an immersive experience that pulls you right into the action. Video editing? Forget about it. This machine makes editing 4K and even 8K footage feel like a breeze. It slices through 8K footage like it's nothing, allowing for real-time editing without any lag. And those scientific simulations we talked about, they run smoother and faster than ever before. Yeah, this thing crunches numbers faster than a team of mathematicians on Red Bull. Complex calculations are handled in mere seconds. But numbers only tell part of the story. They give us a glimpse, but the real magic is in the experience. The real magic happens when you experience the raw power of this PC firsthand. It's not just about speed, it's about seamless performance. It's a level of responsiveness and fluidity that has to be seen to be believed. Once you try it, there's no going back. Section 6. Liquid gold and diamond dust. Aesthetic extravagance. But this build isn't just about raw power. It's also about pushing the boundaries of aesthetics. We're talking about a level of visual customization that borders on the insane. Think custom paint jobs with real gold flakes, liquid cooling loops filled with UV-reactive fluids, and yes, even diamond dust embedded in the chassis for that extra touch of bling. This is a PC that demands to be seen, a work of art that just happens to be capable of running Crysis at 4K with all the settings cranked to the max. Section 7. The price of insanity. A look at the cost. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Building a PC like this doesn't come cheap. In fact, it's safe to say that this is one of the most expensive PC builds ever assembled. We're talking about tens of thousands of dollars worth of hardware and customization. But hey, who needs a down payment on a house when you can have the most insane PC on the planet, right? In all seriousness, this build is a testament to what's possible when money is no object. It's a showcase of the absolute bleeding edge of PC technology, and that comes with a price tag to match. Section 8. Beyond the benchmarks. Practical applications and future-proofing. But let's be real for a second. While benchmark scores and aesthetic extravagance are all well and good, what about the practical applications of a build like this? How does it perform in real-world scenarios? Well, for starters, this PC is a content creator's dream. Imagine having the power to edit 4K videos without any lag, or render complex 3D models in a fraction of the time it would take on a standard machine. Graphic designers will find it equally impressive, as it can handle the most demanding software with ease, allowing for seamless multitasking and creativity. But it's not just for work. This PC is also a beast when it comes to gaming and streaming. Imagine playing the latest AAA titles at max settings with silky smooth frame rates, experiencing every detail in stunning clarity, and all this while streaming your gameplay to your audience without breaking a sweat. The multitasking capabilities are truly remarkable, and perhaps most importantly, this build is future-proof. With its top-of-the-line components and ample upgrade potential, you won't need to worry about your system becoming obsolete anytime soon. This PC will stay relevant for years to come, easily adapting to new technologies and software advancements. Whether it's new games, software updates, or even entirely new applications, this build is ready to handle it all, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. Section 9. A testament to ingenuity. The human element of the build. But let's not forget the most important aspect of this build, the human element. Behind every insane PC build, there's a team of passionate individuals who poured their hearts and souls into making it a reality. From the engineers who designed the custom chassis to the builders who meticulously assembled each component, this PC is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. It's a reminder that with enough passion and dedication, anything is possible. And that's what makes this build so special. It's not just a collection of expensive parts. It's a work of art, a labor of love, and a testament to the boundless possibilities of human imagination. Section 10. Conclusion. Redefining the boundaries of PC building. So, there you have it. The most insane PC build ever. A machine that pushes the boundaries of technology, aesthetics, and performance to their absolute limits. This build is a statement, a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge hardware with a healthy dose of passion and creativity. It's a reminder that the only limits to what we can achieve are the limits of our own imaginations. And who knows what insane creations the future holds. One thing's for sure, the world of PC building will never be the same.